page. Now, pleasure of listening from our honorable chief guest. So, it's a kind and humble request. Sir, please do come on.
Happy evening for all, and I congratulate all the management, especially Honorable Manish Kumar Agarwal ji, Sangeeta Singh ji, Mrs. Manish Agarwal, and all the principals, directors of the Malakpet, District Nagar, Shamsherganj and Charnar. And also congratulate on the sports midday most of the parents. कई दूर से हाजिर हुआ, आपको सबको सलाम वालेकुम, आदाब, नमस्कार। स्पोर्ट्स डे करना स्कूल का विशिष्ट है. नेचुरली यू फाइंड एनी स्कूल दे विल परफॉर्म द एनुअल डे सेलिब्रेशंस और फ्रेशर मीट, बट ओनली few schools only perform the such type of event, that is annual sports day. Really, I congratulate all the management of the four institutes and also congratulate Manish Kumar Agarwal ji for conducting the sports midday. Because like Manish Kumar told already, sports is a important event in our life, part of life. Generally, the students and parents are particularly about their education, and after completing the 7th class, 10th class, they think that my son or my daughter will become engineer or doctor or group 1 officer. For that, immediately they will shift to the institutes like Narayana, Chaitanya, other institutes immediately, whatever the fees cost. But totally they neglect the sports event. Any of schools or colleges are in their leisure time, they will allot some time, 1 hour, 2 hours for the school games, and they will celebrate the games, and inter-district or inter-schools, some schools are organizing. By keeping the scenario, Bachpan School of Management, really to emphasize and to make the parents to be alert, and to make the parents is a very involvement in the sport for their children, they are conducting the annual sports meet. Once again, I congratulate all the management and all the schools. During this time, I think we have to take names of the few people, those who got awards in Olympic level, national level, and state level, international level. Because we are conducting sports meet, and most of the eminent personnel above, they got many awards. Like in boxing, Kumari Nikan Jarina, ASEAN bronze medalist, she got ASEAN bronze medal, and most of the awards backed by the Nikit Jarina. Like that, one hand Mahesh in player, first time Telangana government conducted paramedical games throughout the country, especially in the area. Most of the physically handicapped, they participate in the games. In that, one Mahesh is a para player. He got award in that. And Sindhu, PV Sindhu, belongs to both states. Generally, she is in Andhra Pradesh, she is in the Telangana, and she is a world champion, hails from this area. Like Srivalli Rashmika is a junior national champion, recently got award in tennis. And Isha Singh, she got recent award in shooting. And also Kumari Meghana Reddy, she gymnastic recently, she got international award. Like Akula Srija in table tennis, she got award, she belongs to Telangana. Like that Kumari Chella Rishilla, she is also national player in the handball. And Kumari Divita, she is a UCW civil millet, she is got award in weightlifting. One more Priyadarshini, she is international player, she got award in weightlifting. Kumari Bhagyalakshmi, she in athletics, and Srikanth in athletics, and Sudhakar in World Railways, he belongs to Railways, so they got awards in athletics. In Kabaddi, Now most of they are witnessing in the pro kabaddi in the TVs. After cricket there is a tremendous glamour for this kabaddi. In the kabaddi, one Mr. Mallesh, he got award as international player. And Sai Agni Jevitish, he is also international player in the chess. Irigis Arjun also chess. Harsha Bharat Koti, international players. Like that, nearly 67 players in different athletics or para player, badminton, hockey, football, volleyball, rowing, gymnastics, kho-kho. Like that, nearly 97 players hail from this soil, hail from the Telangana, hail from the Andhra Pradesh, both states. So, we congratulate all the players on this occasion. I request applause to all the players, those who bagged the awards and they got named for our Telangana state. In that context, earlier government, I think they kept one Chief Minister Cup to improve the athletics in the rural side. So most of the players are mostly in the villages. Total for sports, they have taken more than 1,140, nearly 11,000 acres of the land taken for the sports to improve sports in the rural side. And nearly 12,685 villages, they constructed infrastructure facilities for the grounds and even cricket kits and volleyball material or football material, whatever the youth relating in the villages, on their request, the Telangana government provided that minimum to improve the infrastructure. Like that, one SAT beside our Lal Bav Stadium, SAT is a office and they are seeing for infrastructure. And like that in almost all districts like Medak and Karimnagar, Warangal, they constructed athletic tracks with worth of 20 crores. So, and moreover, just now I told the names of some few players, like 97 players, they got a good name for our Telangana. So they are given the amount also for the 25 lakhs rupees, those who got the gold medal in Olympics, and also 16 lakhs for the silver and bronze for the 15 lakhs. Like that, to encourage the players, those who are getting name for Telangana state, they are given the cash amount also. Like that, the government, earlier government and this government is going, and this government also, they are getting the new policy, sport policy. Soon I think it is going to the publish in the papers. So in meanwhile, I congratulate all the school students that they got, I think, nearly 17 gold medals and 17 silver and bronze held in the Delhi games all over India schools. Really, I congratulate all the players, those who got that silver medals and bronze medals and gold medals. And I request all the management to continue this such type of pressure, such type of spirit, because like education, only promoting education is the one side and promoting sports is the other side. Simultaneously, we take up the man to build their health and conscience. Suppose if you promote the health and promote the body, naturally they know some problems for their life. It improves the national integration also. For sports, no community, no creed. Almost all the players, whether they are Hindus or Muslims or Kasai Christians, almost all the players they will participate in the games, and by that it improves the national integration. Especially Minister Manish Kumar Agarwal, the director of the school, to improve this attitude, to improve this atmosphere in your schools, and to contribute national growth as well as the Telangana growth to get more medals. And soon I think Olympic Games going to held in India. So in that already from Telangana nearly 14th rank they got in last national games. In Goa 26 rank, and in Olympic also, coming Olympics also from Telangana state, most of the players like Jarina Nikachi and Sindhu, they are going to the participate in the Olympics, and they'll bag medals or gold or bronze medal or silver medal. Definitely they get for Telangana. In that concept, I request all the parents to cooperate and
मेरा नाम मनीष अग्रवाल है। मैं बचपन और एकेडमिक हाइट्स स्कूल की 4 ब्रांचेस का डायरेक्टर हूं, जो कि चार मीनार, मलकपेट, दिलशुनवर और शमशेरगंज पे अवेलेबल है। हम लोग स्टडीज़ के साथ साथ स्पोर्ट्स को बहुत तवज्जो देते हैं, और स्पोर्ट्स में हमारे पास बास्केटबॉल, क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल की प्रैक्टिस कराई जाती है बच्चों को, और वो अच्छा लेवल पे इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। हमारे बच्चों ने बास्केटबॉल में गोल्ड मेडल जीता था दिल्ली में AHPS मेगा कॉम्पिटिशन में, जहाँ पे 110 स्कूल AHPS के पार्टिसिपेट करे थे। इसी प्रकार हमारे और भी गेम्स में बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करें और मेडल्स जीते हैं। तो हमारी कोशिश है कि हमारे बच्चे आगे से आगे बढ़े, स्टेट लेवल पे, नेशनल लेवल पे अपने देश को रिप्रेजेंट करें, हमारी स्कूल को रिप्रेजेंट करें और जीतें। धन्यवाद।
Stuti. We have 4 schools under Academic Heights and Bachpan. Today we are conducting our sports day. We know with education, sports is also an important part of children's life. It helps them to develop physically as well as mentally. We want all our children to succeed in life. Thank you.
This is Shabana Yasmin, coordinator of Shamsherganj branch, HPS Shamsherganj branch. As we are celebrating today sports event day in our school, all the branches have participated, and all the teachers have supported a lot, and the students had really worked hard for make the event very successful. And even we are training the students in all the sports, so that they can go for state level as well as for national level. And it's really my dream that they should go for national level, and in near future we'll definitely do it. Thank you.
Start karo. I am Sangeeta Singh, director for Malakpet and Dilshuk Nagar branch. I'm really happy to share this good news with you that we are having this sports day after 2016, that is after pandemic. This is the first sports day we are celebrating, and it is a huge success with 2000 plus parents and around 1000 children participating in this sports day. And I just want to announce also, in future we are going to start with a big sports academy. Mr. Manish Agarwal, the director for the school, have a very big plans where we will have all ex-players who will come and be the coaches for our children. So it is going to be the huge success, and I really thank the parents also. I never expected that so much crowd will come. We really have 2000 plus crowd. Oh my god, this is really awesome for us. It's a big success.
Good evening one and all. I am Akshita Jaiswal. I am working in AHPS, Bachpan, Malakpet and Dilshuk Nagar from last 7 years. तो एज ए कराटे कोच मैं यहाँ पे ज़्यादा सीखी हूँ, और मैं खास करके मोर देन दैट मैं गर्ल्स को ज़्यादा इंकरेज करने के लिए यहाँ पर हूँ, एंड द मोटिवेशन ऑफ गर्ल्स विल डेफिनेटली इंकरेज मोर अपकमिंग फ्यूचर। तो हमारे डायरेक्टर सर का यही प्लान है, अपकमिंग स्पोर्ट्स का एक सबसे बड़ा स्कूल खोला जाए, एंड वेराज वहाँ पर ऑलमोस्ट पद्म भूषण, विभूषण, द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड के कोचेस आएंगे और ट्रेनिंग देंगे इन द कैंपस। जैसे PV सिंधु है, निखत जरीन है, ऐसे कई सारे हमारे स्टूडेंट्स निकलेंगे हमारे कैंपस से भी। सो प्लीज़ एंकरेजिंग AHPS एंड मलकपेट, क्योंकि स्पोर्ट्स एक ऐसी चीज़ है जहाँ पे फीमेल को थोड़ा बैक स्टेप लिया जाता है। मैं चाहती हूँ कि एज ए फीमेल मैं जो फैमिली के इश्यूज़ को या फिर सोसाइटी के इश्यूज़ को फेस करिए, आई डोंट वांट कि न्यू जनरेशन शुड फेस दिस। तो प्लीज़ एंकरेज करो, क्योंकि लड़की होना इज़ नथिंग बट, लेकिन लड़कियों का आज रिकॉर्ड देख रहे हैं आप लोग, तो स्पोर्ट्स में सबसे ज़्यादा लड़की ही ऊपर आ रही है। वेराज थोड़ा बहुत सपोर्ट स्पोर्ट्स में भी मिल गया तो ये प्लस पॉइंट हो जाएगा हमारे लिए। 100% जाएंगे, क्योंकि मेरे पास से नेशनल्स ऑलरेडी गए से 3 लड़कियां एंड 2 लड़के गए से।